said he had no plans to harm himself. They released him and left. Hours later, he shot and wounded himself. That's kind of crazy. This was the police director? Damn.
They what? They walked across the street into the JW building. They're over there now? Yeah, they just walked in. I have an officer kind of like behind them watching them, but supposedly what a witness saw was they were arguing. They came out here. He stated something, he's going to end it now, put a gun in his mouth. And then when I came out, I saw them arguing across the street still, but then they walked. So you got somebody following the guy with the gun? They're not following, but they're kind of seeing where they're going. Where is he? Can you contact them and see where he's at now? They're in the JW.
That sound is fucking horrible.
They're good enough. So the information we have was Alfredo Ramirez.
Hey, bro, you shouldn't want to take your life, and like, bro, you're just a fucked up individual if you're threatening like taking your life if someone else doesn't do something. Like at that point, like fuck you, like genuinely, like you're just a fucking like fuck off, you know. I don't know how to say that nicely, but if like you hold that over someone, like you're just not like you shouldn't like. You're lucky if that person still speaks to you after, because that's just a fucked up thing to do. And they have the riot shield.
Tampa police. Tampa police, come with your hands up.
See your hands, ma'am. Hands.
Step out, show us your hands.
It's the police.
Step out, show us your hands. Who else is with you?
Come on. Come back.
Okay, step out with your hands up, sir. Step out here.
Step out here, ma'am.
Come to us. Sir, step out here with your hands up. Sir, show us your hands. Step out here.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hands up. Hands up. Go ahead.
What are you doing? All right. You know I'm the director of the Miami-Dade Police Department.
I have no idea what's going on, bro.
No, who called the cops? All right, man. I didn't do anything, so I don't understand. Okay, thank you.
All right, do you?
We're gonna check. Go on, we're gonna get out the doorway. We'll check the room.
I didn't do anything.
He fits the description, right? Does he fit the
But
description?
sir, I'm the police. I'm the director of the police department.
Security.
Please don't do this to me, man.
Say, can we clear the room? Make sure there's nothing else in there.
All right, get the.
Are we good, sir? Where am I in?
All right, so tell us what happened outside between you and her.
We were just talking. That's it. Just talking. I didn't touch her. You're gonna ask her. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Okay?
Did you possibly have a gun on you at the
I
time?
have a police gun. Yes, I do.
Okay. Did anything happen with the
No, sir, not at all.
interactions?
No, sir, not at all.
Okay.
No,
Did you display the gun at all?
no, sir. Okay? We had a discussion.
What was the discussion
Come on,
about?
sir. Nothing, just talking about marriage stuff. We're good.
Marriage stuff?
That's all.
Trouble marriage right now?
No, we're good. We're good.
Did voices get loud?
No, yes, we were talking, but nothing else, sir. Please, please don't do this. And I'm here for the sheriff's call. Okay?
Sheriff's office?
Does he have ID on? His ID?
Thank you, sir. We're good?
Right now, we're still trying to figure out everything. I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs, okay?
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. We're good?
Once again, we're still trying to figure
I
out
understand. We're good,
We're
brother.
just going on based on
I know, brother. You got it. I'm doing your job. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, brother.
Stand by for a second.
Yes, sir. Will do. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Is this for real?
Yes.
What's going on?
Is your husband in there with you?
Yes, he is.
What's your husband's name?
Freddie. He's the director of Miami-Dade Police Department and the chief of public safety. We're just having a heated conversation. We're fine.
Okay, okay. Can you step over
Can you
here by
step
the
over
window?
there for?
Thank you. That's gonna prevent other
I'm being
people.
100% honest with you. I don't recall him taking it out.
Okay. So,
Don't remember if he took it out?
no.
She said initially, I don't remember, and then she said.
And just said again, he doesn't remember.
I think she just took one over.
All the way on there, okay.
push and he's pushing them back, we're having an argument. I am sick. I have 4 kids to go home to right now, and another one on the way. If I felt unsafe, I would tell all of you right this minute because that would be my savior. You know how it is.
Oh, yeah.
He
People
has
getting
plenty
on.
of demons from the job, as you guys all are probably aware of, and I know every button to push.
Bro, that last part was unnecessary. I'm sure they clipped it bad, but I know every button to push is just not a. It's like not a thing you should say. It's not like a brag. It's not a flex. Well, hopefully he's okay. Shit, wounded himself. Hopefully it wasn't like lethal wound.